adishmai menano pay mamunina chiba Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Bro so see the Ghana today Jume Dieno bro with the Obokrata would do a bejaso yadina poso bro. And yeah no and some more AD he made the chicha wa Ghana no. And you are Brempona or Dumakuma Chame no yatanasi no pay. Yebe pense mo ediama wo. 84 fidi ne to announce pemu pepe pa. Ghana speaks the brand besu baby phone lines no. Now so be chewa Jennifer niema Akosua Ghana. Ti kronkwa gina na nyansa ni ba ko phone tirim na dua kronti me nya kwayenti na nipa ba ko ne sentimi nkata nya me achinti en kata na nimu nti na onso aba na wode aba tani benya osra yi maino onya me di na me bi yinta yesu e wodi na me bi yinta onya me di na me bi yinta yesu e wodi na me bi yinta Yadia Sedema endpoint homeopathic clinic. If you say what your endpoint, Edema or Yari and Wabini D. Endpoint homeopathic clinic is a Branabeja or a Sapa pay betimi abua one more timmy, a jam would now so antibomodia say one in the Beko Nakrana. Now, Shana spent as a Quano Sukumasa Chronoma Boy here Tama, Community 22 and Krabatabako and the Dahono. At the endpoint homeopathic clinic, can who binti any a day. Sompa Ghana today, any Ghana speaks here, they bro and payansana. No watch pepe Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo Du, theologian, clinical psychologist. Wababa Betinasin or the Sompa Rhapsody Jumediano Abro. And now one guest in the Bayan Shadia Maupa and pay. 3 butterfly schools. 3 butterflies school. That we are bantain as a wood team and as I will buy any abosumi and sia ecosi and fienum. Now we pesiku at the nakwaye beheni ye. Aquadano we will learn, we will play, we will grow. Now a 3 butterfly school. Now 3 butterflies school ye a British and GES curriculum and omodi juma. One more extra activities be to say swimming lessons, taekwondo, ballet, and any kankan home. About time a brass to say wokwa juma intis obana nyabosumi miensa. Patroti obana nyabosumi miensa. Bosumi miensa kosi emfie enumua. Fane bra na yensha ne mawate. One the app being so by a funny EYLOG app a hono which me monitor with child's activity. Akwadane modern ball na good day ninyinimu na disuyemu. Bosumi miensana so as I say wokwa juma. Baby, I would do bano air corner, a who here papa. If it's any baby, and I bet me the bano wako baby or ha, woman shakwa dani ye, nenso pe baby, or bana or yet to fe wakadake to a peche no. Bosumi and son wouldn't acquire behind ye diamawa, a 3 butterflies school. Yami aduma summer school no e baso from 3rd August next and I watch send no Mr. Juada ebe na summer school no ashansi 3rd August e ko si 31st August it is nkwadano wo fie na wo pe baby de wo makwa me so de bra Facebook page wo be hwe nkwadano wo mo kitchen be hwe nkwadano ne mo didi agro be hwe nkwadano ne made wo di sua de be hwe wo mo swimming class catch them young a 3 butterflies school. It's where your bantam mummies and daddies and mama worry cry. They come for 3 butterfly schools, said your mama from 3 months to 5 years. Now when him there the school no and up 6:30 no more be or more poem 6:30. 12 hours in more 12 hours now the back of mobi. The opposite will be a wait to me. One more chance here and up 6:30. No more poem and numerous 6:30. It would obana qua miss 3 butterfly school kamo bantam kame won time for nkama amre nka 3 months papa me be hwie nkoda ne gu mu hokoi ubenya 12 hours mu a e de aye wadwuma akwa aba eduru numre 6:30 na waba befa wo ba eye 3 butterfly school British and Ghana Education Service curriculum and omodi adwuma eye school a ehu cha ehu te wo show wo 8 Pawpaw Street ewo East Legon ebe Malcolm no wo mo ewo 8 Pawpaw Street East Legon ebe Malcolm etu East Legon and Patamwa school way na make come for them 3 months to 5 years 3 butterflies school bet me a friend was 055 6094071 Mr. Ofre enquiries bia opese we bia 055 6094071 055 6094071 TBM 055 609 4071. Oko omo website at www.3butterfliesghana.com. Email nunsi at 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com. We learn, we play, we grow. 3 Butterflies School. Kasana tramino water hajia special local foods boye ama bibia etimia kwa sabre die menko na oduma nkoma chia menko ma na kwa ba bema na memo kwa ba
ya ena o ma me dondon hema
na bibia boko die
oh adom ahweye experience
okay adom ene ehumobro unse wo mo wonwum bi adom ne ehumobro na nedi ampetu hanne
okay men ka me ya to different one
ya watumwa kasit na meye denkra
I'm say we Baptist
but in sorry ni bebre too in sorry ni bebre
too copy
omo nyina to no kama e ma ne eye kama panti sa no pe sorry e wada nyame ase
oh no correct san say eye PhD ena dia bedru ha
PhD ye de
prayer hard work and dedication
PhD prayer hard work and dedication. Where the Reverend Professor Joseph Sompa Dubai just a catch no. PhD near the
prayer hard work
and dedication. Hey, PhD.
Your PhD for fro. And a photocopy of.
Oh dear no. But would any prayer hard work and dedication.
But I can't fake no. Hey, pull him down. But yeah, the end day. A prayer,
hard work and dedication. Wow, it's good.
Empire number 1.
I say, we empire now we are quadrifua enkosiaga.
No correct.
And as we are Jumaden, now I'm vampire one canhua. A bet is a we are Juma na yedi egu ankura tokuro demu.
If you wish I never call
it, we hear Nina na for dedication. We are committed.
What do we now?
What do we now say? We be say Yamina Yamisuma would do washing. No correct. A Jumadian would do washing. A dear be a we are committed to it. Me say you can't fail.
And no dear.
Hey, Sompa Kra. It is impossible for us to fail. And your prosperity.
Nyame de on tros ade wu. Na on tro nso.
Na chese nyame nsa wom.
No.
Oluwa de be.
Oluwa is involved.
Oluwa is involved. Wodi nyame ko enye yi.
There be
wa shira ye.
Yen ye hye ne komam.
Hey, station na nyame ye shira ne say.
Enti se wo pese wonya sompa na de ye hwe ho a, wo de kwa wa nyame komam.
Sompa Akra. Station na nyame ye shira ne say.
Se wo betimi abeta akehwe.
Nyame ye shira Sompa Akra ma.
Se nia wada adwuma ne ba ne yenhira blessed ena nia wada adwuma no wone no ye maame ne wo fie ha no wono so yenhira
ena musu mu yenhira e dia bom
no
enhira plus enhira plus
ye de ye ho
abodondon so besa
wodema nkoma no wono ne enhira no
eye ne dia ena de open wode ma no ena wo choose so wode amaye
ena wode ama enhira ma
ena yafa
ena na chia mete ha no.
Oh mama who are here?
Me see. Say ade no.
Oh mama who are here?
Yeah no. O ye hwie.
Oh mama ne who are here?
No.
Here. They will be bia working for our good.
Abanti bi bonyu. One friend simple. Say medical say. I don't know what say o time here. Na me say flexi goods.
Dina ye bia obesi bia boye.
Yeah no.
I don't know. Bibia dina ye bia besi bia ekoye mai.
Opa adwene bone.
Ekoye mai.
Eye papa mai.
Ekoye mo
sumfidie.
Ekoye mai.
Etene be ye asphalt e mai.
Sompa Akra na ye te say ase your friend who tare a wafe who na wonsa agene. If
you can't beat them,
you join them.
Brabe kan.
Ay.
Because ye no ye ne nyame nenam.
Amo ene wo tan ne nema. I say we dey ayi Joseph akoto prison no.
Now ye no prime minister.
Say ye odi ye. I don't know akoto amene mu no.
What the Shadrach, Meshach ne Abednego. Etu wo jam.
E hokra na Yesu pie ye no.
Na ye say wo mote ye condition. Show eja buruburu anu onipa ode ne kokora no wanu wuye adwene bia obefafa ye hu bia working for our good eh odi enya adwembone no unya ka say okay minye we a e working for us
Oka se meye we ya e work for us. Bibia wo beye bia boy.
Opa adwenbone
e fa e boy yin.
Ogi papa no so e san bebem. Into umre.
O mama wo ehi.
Ode umre.
Ya fa de for some agent.
No.
Obete.
Obeya.
Obe why? I've we are now prostrated before the king. King Jesus.
No.
King Jesus. We say, indeed, Jesus is Lord.
Ye ni nyame na mo yen.
Yensuro. Eti we yen kransha yenso ye de ma ba bia obi woni nyame na mo de mensuro. If we say there were two minutes in the we are saying. And if God is for you,
who can be against you?
Ish, I know you.
Yehovah no work on ho. Wo ye wo dia. To me no was one wo deriving it to me no dey yes near man nkete no. Wo deriving different. Wo fa different.
If God is for you. Ish.
Ade mama nyi makiki no.
Exodus 33:19.
And the Lord said, I will cause my goodness to pass in front of you. And I will proclaim my name, the Lord, in your presence.
Amen.
And I will have mercy on whom I will have mercy.
And I will have compassion.
And I will have compassion on whom I will have compassion.
Nyame sorry ye no. Otena se no. Obo ni wiase wie. Na wo wura 2025 no. March hono otena se no say me choose to have mercy and compassion on station B. And you say ready odumankoma eye hwan ya. Because I say I will choose to have mercy on the me pen na me hu ne mobo. Eti nyame sorry ye ne sovereignty no na say ene me pese me hu station bi mobo. And you say papa na hwan ya was oh ye fa ne Sompa
SOMPA ACCRA Sompa kra.
I say Papa, na was sorry, yeah. Who person will show be kindness? Why not person will show the kindness?
Yes, Sompa.
What's a Sompa cra? Hey, what's me and let me person me you be papa.
Me shirano.
And I'm saying yes, Papa. Now why person will shirano? What's a Sompa cra? Hey. And you say ready. What's who person would doom will be? What's who ni pamobo? Now why you want Jesus? Who person who stays in pamobo? Why not person who ni mobo say? Hey, Sompa cra. It's a nenya who power tina na hini muno. What did the goodness and wash you? Baby, Oshiegu ya Sompa.
Mama, you see, therefore, God has mercy on whom He wants to have mercy, and hardened whom He wants to harden. Moi, what is the hono? Nyami asada no ayemo sa. Madwem bone na mo de tie kire ho.
Etie de eja owura bi bonu bi say ene me nko ene me nyankopon kokon. Wonte da. Enemy nyankopon koko fisanya me na meshira me ho enyo nyankopon na ye mesa me nyankopon washira me enya me na mayo eye rade na ye enemy nko enemy nyankopon enemy nyankopon koko fisanya me na meshira me ho enyo nyankopon na ye mesa me nyankopon washira me aya makani mirenchi
mo
and a boy papers when the good
mami daily guide buy or buy say near walk and na ye nshira na aba so mpa so no eno an walk enti the new crusading guide say o crusading nyina
no dey shira mo sa no
and the publisher the guy wa publish it
I also publish it
and chronicle nsem no wa chronicle ni nyina kama wa so the quotation atato
enyum na betu ye metro to na la ye bepo na mato
me
see me o daily graphic wa ha say wo do pe wo kan Sompa kase ebo ni mu no Gabonese president Nguema
Olise in fact
a 3-day state visit and wo ha say
Clinton ne din ba ko no
and don't leave autistic children behind where your managing director the Guarantee Trust Bank Limited ono asembia wono so so de atuja eno so so de ha say nti ho asem ni nyina edida ha wo mo aba nti obene bo na ya ba ne ya ba
yabo yaba ya no esa se wo som na wo som yi na wo som wo akomam on say dedication no a PhD no dedication na wo akire no se wo de ka ho a ehun aketua no
ye nyina ye tie sompa
esan se wiase nyina se sompa no
ye nyina ye tie sompa
obia se won
ye nyina ye tie sompa ye nyina ye tie sompa
obi etie na wantie bia
ye nyina ye tie sompa
ya tro ho yabo yaba
eno kra na be shi
oh obia se yaba na ye tie sompa no
say yes wo say
yabo yaba sompa yabo yaba sompa
man oh ni ami
yaba sompa
yengo last one
yabo yaba sompa ye nyina ye tie sompa
obi
ye nyina ye tie sompa ye nyina ye tie sompa yaba sompa
but and a rhapsody for better sentem
eno kre intima me wait 5 minutes pe me dey poni na
ye wi ana I must me bomb de ne tew na 7:30 no ma na de by 7:55 near so if the Reverend Professor Joseph
omo be ya adwene no
omo be ya adwene no ho adwuma omo be hye ya adwene yakoma ya tenkan ya brabo woni psychologists bi ba ha no eti bobo so me enko
ma me na me sha se free the new crusading guide new crusading guide is on so aba na otie sompa esanse hana nsam ne yeka obia tebie na no na nsane ne vakofo voter aluminium company workers here call demonstration Ibrahim Mama so besiwo
ehimfo
vakofo workers no
so besiwo
Ibrahim Mama so besiwo
mo bo no so bo hu
or say I have no interest not offered to acquire vacu and wo de ato ne so so no person I want to atto ne so or say threatens to sue into obesiwo CPS for no amu pay ya kasi ebomu almost 30.7 billion Ghana cedis gap bi da media budget review num ni nyina ya unfunded project ya your fiscal space no but aban se won ko 1D1F ka ho wose wajai ayi agenda 111 e ka ho e no aban se won ko abantie bi ye frɛ no Emmanuel Ababio Iyokofo declare wanted what you wanted mine baby onam bia mon kan che se prosifo Iyokofo hwɛ no economic and organized crime office first near from serious fraud office one more hwɛ boni a wadie no allegedly enti remonacha so hia no wamra na one na nchi to mine e wa ha sei e wa ha independence on trial the fight for Ghana's anti-corruption so enti eno ho nsem kisi ajabe na nimfoni da ha wetimi se ha de no come my lord na ma page afi no page no ma obeka my lord e na wo mu twa nimfoni ne beto ha the new crusading guide e de biaba na ai maame sarajo asafo kane dam kwabenya mirase bedwani wo de aba wo se he uti baabia huni se ya atrosem huni se ya hurodo hurada sem se ne papa apostle emeritus engineer professor mumfa na aka nto aso doctor bibia bi som kwajesafo na yiyo no wo se e ba so live and colored baby a one day ahye no ehwa a enehye the Ghanaian publishers so publishing some kro no a e de bia ba no se mu akofra de munya na live man o wo se munya no kra no no de pata bribri na abo no e no wote wo no ka nsem bia wonimu e no ho nsem wo ha na the Ghanaian publisher de bia ba ho se o kire se apostle kwajesafo a life of faith innovation and vision enti wono no na brabo no eyegidie ene suade hu ene se wo de niam afoforo ede ba ene wa chechem ti o page 4 e wo the Ghanaian publisher mo wonya bia wonsa ubetimi ahunu nsem no sande tie page 3 ho no a ene wo de aba so officially afedie wo mo a ka bie wo mu nyina no akọ wo chehene ahemfie e wo chebi wo chema aboboa no akoyi wo chehene asutire se asematon ni nyina ya na Mahama Abukari Mahama ya watu ya armo nsie do no makwa akosi na yie no so amane ne amamre atwagu ewo wachima ya hemfie ya nya asem kuma akra anodom pre enso na wo bubomu say ebiman traditional medicine ebibiduro no eya mama yemfa na asemhia na ye nya prasta mo awe man bi kode nu aye krafia mo no ne ba na nyina ye kode kotobekuma eba na bekunyan nanso ya bibre mu de no baabro no kra se munni aduaba no na momfa haban ne nsa yare yenso yempen haban no wo ka kire se yempen haban na timi aboa yempa Patrick ya aboa ma en wo ka kire atofo se ato amfo so kra wo se ato amfo so ense sa media budget review yo de baye wo se he je se hwi nim ato amfo ne ho wine kura ene ebeji we na fa to so boko na ehon nsem no wa hase ya wode aba enti me de ne iwie e wo chronicle na chronicle kakra ya wode ba ye susu twu tinya sa wo kon bete wode aba wa ha ene wa chem say ignore akofena na no na akofena no enya ne ye de kontokwa ne bia enya akofena ye de ka asem akofena didi huro da asem nyame ne nkan we ya adwa asafo na eken wo se ne papa yi no nya de a ye twam into honsem ha dagbon delegation edu achihina himfie se na medical account the Ghanaian publisher mo no wo me de honsem ede akọ na wo sign de aba wo che say in fact apostle kojo safo de na a life beyond the ordinary honsem kakra wo ha wo page 3 eno nso so wo chronicle mu a wo de honsem kakra ede aba na be kwai quarry protest ya nra ye de honsem ba ye wo hot bite so na wo mu sufre wotumfo say wo mra na wo mo anya sa company ya wo say from day shine quarry na wa dey shine ya wa say wa man no wa mo na e kan nyame ne nka enti na no no placards no so na wa ya tro say Exodus 14:14 ma me wa so ha Exodus 14:14
Exodus 14:14
wa se munye kom otumfo ba kwa mamo
okay
enra ayifo be kwai wo mo demonstration no mo ye no wo mo de man ka say nyame be ko ama mo wo mo so munye kom no otumfo be kwa man enti e say de wo mo fre otumfo
Momo nyame din
na me so me mo mi nyame din
ti obi
frotumfo
okay
aha ma me di wie e wo chronicle mu o se yen kenkan 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse number 23 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse number 23 brofo no say have nothing to do with the foolish
when they me hear no rhapsody
have nothing to do with the foolish ignore controversies. You know that they breed quarrels.
Yeah, and who here a waste of time.
Eja factory no so man.
Eja o say na
where the Bible na account.
Bible can.
Where you chi not
Sompa and Bible.
Sompa nya na tro yeah the canonization of the Bible.
I see
2 Timothy 2:23
have nothing to do with the foolish.
Upon fufro no mo.
Fufro no I where you Paul and woman no Timothy.
Into o ka kire Ghana fo a etie Sompa say have nothing to do with the foolish.
Na nkwase achinyeji
but oyapam nyabote na kan yi.
Na nkwase achinyeji a one fancy no dear.
Go ignore controversies. You know that they breed quarrels.
If you say, Winnim say, Eden Tokwaba.
Apamisro kind 2 Timothy 2:23 chin mami ye to boss me interfere now walk abroad from Maninka tree.
Timothy, Paul Ngoma Chokoma Timothy, the Tossumi, no, it's a year, then can cancel do me answer. Now, quasi a chinye dear, one fancy no dear goo, if you say, Winnim say, Eden Tokwaba.
Na nkwase chinye gia one fancy no dear if it's a winning say Eden Tokwaba
no cre
na say ye wo achinye gia ye kwase a
ye fancy ahwe
so de won boss won kasa because me kra me bia manu akakra manu
oropo
come e go be kasa sabio no say ye chi be kasa sabio
na nanom say no cre ye sabi
ye nanom say asa no cre anti Bible no kan no cre nti wan to sabi
nti wa chinye bi wa ye nkwase ya chinye
enti yan haye ho
en so because yensa nkwase ya chinye ya yensa mfa nsua hwe
we dey this year the man prophet Dr. Kofi Odu
no cre
no because one no Bible no baby I tro foolish bia
wonim na anom say last 2 weeks what kind foolish be ne ho
Dr. Kofi Odu prophet man of God Bible no verse bia foolish wonim ni nyina eti we are making 2 Timothy 2:23 me sure say Dr. Prophet Dr. Kofi Odu wonim
nkwase achinye
wa yes we use to cry dada eti ono kura wodi so on fin krofo
ai tu ke kan o start nkwase achinye anu eja ho
na se do obesi aka no kura o say o kan bibi o say
kwasi ya chinye
mitibinka Obrempong na mitibinka
enti asema ya nsoso kwasi ya chinye a yemfa nsua de no my so
tie Sompa rhapsody na be free apam dada but 1 minute na matie from rem
ma many sansam no krata no so de ode abe kama ye say bi ho ye say chinje kro na na
ode ye kan ko
de ga de wo krata e de ba ko bi aba betoa me hu posi ni mfoni a wo kura na esi ni bo wo twene gagagaga na we esi wo techima krobo nursing training college ho wono mo se wo mo ye o ye kire ne koko wie ne nipa nan ya so wo mpanche wo krata fa etoso ensiamu anope daily guide wo twa e de aba afi kantanka busua no ne enkomo a ekoso se no ye chinje na wono moje a ene ye kratai eno so wo twa e de aba beto akire na court to be automated nationwide Chief Justice ene eka sa asemi eno na no pe ni mfoni ene Ghana mampani abedi akire wo mo de da ha afa mi hu owura ya bonsu kwaten ya wo frɛ no ho wo sofo no ono wote Instagram ho no wo gram ya manfo nya asem ketwa wo konsu bia wone ne yire make say ya so ne penchi na de ya ti bia extravagate wo mo wo ho ne nsa so ena sofo nso edi ho dwuma eno krata daily guide krata wono nso wamfa hunta wetwa ede aba sade minority no osika no media review budget sade wo mo kan pa no mo no wo mo 30 billion project ena no eho akonta akura no yentumi amuo ewo enkrata no mo. My prison time was not easy agrada we nya tender we
my prison time was not easy na form
kra
it was suma
wuntumi nti eno na da he ya no pay na nedu wazobieni wono we alatani no wo chese oba Ghana watete wo mo kasa na sugar mom na hwehwe headquarters no alata na ewo Abuja eno na no pay krata no nso atwade aba ebo so bi e de amayetie
yo apam ne fa numbers ne to janetie for na you ready that
tiawa 0260 19 60 64 0260 196065 0260 196064 0260 196065
yo apam obi edi kan ba memfa no hello me pa cho mini abe na machia ni
your call has been put on hold.
Please wait. Yo hello me pa cho mini abe na machia ni au kase free abede ni enkwai
ankasa abede acho ma mi fa inchia kese ma yo champacho ni de 30 seconds ni yenche anko aju champacho communication officer wa chama asema for team e mu tuma ndi mu fan na ba mu mbwa yo chama wa di tep na Collins magu kotodwe shobufo ogusu ye dwante me siamu mano obeye dwuma deputy communication officer me patron pamano na fine deputy communication officer wa katamaso onso na oko na kwame executive member okakuno oko Mike Tate Beja Chairman na akwedi opofusu the party national member na Abigail national woman gaza na tema west for Japoni temame for ni we kuma me fatwa kuntuma obana Charlotte woman gaza mame ko asem so me patrol bukoto shia me de papa timo bi 223 yes papa yanu come on share yes anja kutia me am tie be 10 years ni me for bad day me patronya 8 ana 8 years mo for mu tie na mo sache madwen na ban odwin boaw unya 8 aba unu nko begu aba on boaw 8 years mo for mu tie tie awe we kibi we MP
Medase Otama son ABC Okase free abed 0260 196064 and 0260 196065 aha eya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Ghana today and wutie ne brasun eya Ghana speaks hello
and I'm more Ghana speaks so baby I'm watching
Mejo sopa bemena
I only have a man about Penta village
Matimienko.
Le Bussa, NDC Force, NC said your mobile so and the 24-hour economy, 133. No mobile, president, 1 5 years, Mamma, or some Yachu, Yatu, Momoni, and no cat of Ariamana. And then Papa Muya Tiasi, on to me after now for 2 say Galampe, and I didn't go to move. On to now go to Galampe. One time in Muta. On to me, Sabia moment, that's not organized. I know how I'm in I can say in Anka, one to Mutu. Or time, many about who the last one with the main phone call you at the Mla. And they are two. Now, Sabio, upon as an actually, not a change now. One as one, I'm to be as one. And yet can you smile? I mean, now. Many about you from Fana, which you back with your back. Thank you, I'm a more with air for Fana. And I'm one to Mamma Ranty and Mamma where Juma Mamma. That mobile, one moment more. After mostly I am not police now that you boy, one to know my must have how many at the tea appears so they say Ranty Mamma police now, I don't know. So I'm so move.
Medan Semana Bana would do the Abba 0260 196064 na 0260 196065. I hear Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello. Made you so Bamana?
Kwaku 37.
Kwaku, me and Quay.
You Akosia. I mean, I was the end of my farm. I mean, Sompa FM at Tiffany. Akosia radio. I said, I got some party and not get to. As we are a ship, will be a person Pasuakata. BBC show. I got ready and I said, Mahoma, the Kavaya, a Kavasra, Mompaba, Kosanka,
Lianunachi.
I was that will be a Pasuaka, only somebody will be a Pasuakata. Am I a papa, ready and it's ready to him.
Mateo, Mamintiu.
You, Antiagosia, Mamentia, Miwa Dr. Baumia, MVP Penning Phone in a era Dr. and Kabako for Dr. Bernard, Ukoboy, and era John Boadu, and an Anabu and be our back of red line. Antiagosia, your best friend, Antiagosia, and Yama Wyatt thing, a woman. And so I buy to loss in fish about from fish about Antiagosia. Now I see I can do Ginza, now I say, Niboy, Antiagosia, and run and come over Kanishi market. I go say Ginger, your pony who could to be my at the 5 cities. Your pony who could to be my at 10 cities. Now I'm running because your tomato single one 10 cities. You best have President Mama and fetching out about Mama and your mount pony botomo. And your mouth walk on because you best have President Mama. Dear Ben, a warrior power. And I got Tadeba President Mama up to now on jail for work. We are walking. You can say. Budget no child here to go to Cocoa, traffic and away, and the Cocoa, we are talking with you last year, October, for up to now.
Medan Sequa Quartens, so dear Abba. Hello.
Good morning,
Good morning, Mini Abema Ben Meshana no pay.
If I don't Frank Nero knew, Dominion Mayo.
Ayo, Frank Nero, Domin Mayo, Bianquay.
I know by my Mr. Quenya Mania, Miniaba, tell you what you Super TV. Super radio, a month for Great Actor Ghana and I almost when you are going there. Momina Samincha, Great Actor Regional Organizer, Honorable Anthony Kumi, Namin Stress for him near Tiango, or for Deputy General Secretary Natstan, or Menasua, Omaniana from Norman Tumano, and other people in the Deputy Organizer, Honorable BDP, Lakabo, only the for main organizer, almost one. Many other who been the boy thing, do the boy thing, and if I saw and say, President Mama. 7 President Mahama, Udia Secretary. A idea a carbon and white in the capital of white is a binding people. A bind by one of my supporters. I say, I'm a dollar but I'm a citizen of more thing. I'm a near my carbon in a today. I get this one $1 white. Nigeria, I don't hire beer at a canoe. And also, President Mahama, almost I live in the picture. Think about young yes, the that I'm going for years to be 80. If I'm not yellow one, for years to be 2004, 40 million. And then get up $100 in about 450, and only a chance that by now you then you will be 40 million. And I say, you're talking to you. Your father is here, and I'll just buying the thing.
Medan se entinero ya no acha do me for my 0260196064 and 0260196065. I hear Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello.
Hi.
Yes, Ajani money.
Barama ne kasani. This a made you who ya papa. Barama na fe ona o se jani mu. Mi di ndi ke kira ho fe bo so mo te ku ya fe.
Ke kira ho fe mami tie wa do pe.
Ayo. Mami tie Nyankopon. Nyankopon tie mi kire na mi ntia Ghana man penyini kaya ni nyamfo nyansende ho fe dua John.
Hey, where the man for ye cry, me do ko fa je ni mo ide ma ha o papa.
Ai na me chance we me di hu ya no.
E ka me fa Eben kura na se ABC. Ana Collins kura, ana Collins po.
Now the go far kind of fishi. I'm very man ka sa no ne gani mo no.
Mami tiwa. Mate.
Mami.
Yes.
Aya yanka require enche Ghana fu. You also program na first person first. Nema boy de keke do boy de nanka me bisa ni se. Nema no boy de no afia se ben. Ena be do ha. Politics na che Ghana fu special MPP fu. Maybe you papa kufuado. Bre na oba no do kunu ye wansi de also on tibida. Ana masamana ni nema boy de. Chidi na ye 4 CD. Dollar no 4 CD. What the CD na ye hata. Because you ye papa kufuado be fi so no do kunu na ya he. Ano no who wan hwanka petrol for na gallon na liter na ye papa kufuado no ton na he. Some of the tisu say who or more 5 kilo na ye ton no e papa kufuado be so 200 and 180 and then you boy dem ne mahama ba aba 70 cedis more 80 cedis and then you offer a blue bag a kufuado table na ye 2,000 and ne 500.
Me dance bemena nyame enhira obebre 0260 196064 and 0260196065. Hello. Me ba chobi papa ben meshiani.
Sorry. Very good news.
Yo very good. Mami tie wa no pay.
Yo mami dia wo tie for ena no pay. Na odi say ena ageni mu ya no kana bro fu bi say after genderity home cry. Moba or the same radio Nusua, Namaba Betua and the same Guanuma Namuko, and the movie Namunam and go for so SSC. And the Ecosu Memuno, and now movie there a woman near ma and anybody that any ever any Umana. Send a woman near ma and a Gamoba and a Mobeka, and they know the Ghana for Bedimo. Not a German Union, I have said a million Kata Bapo, tomatoes Bapo, Fati. Tomatoes Baco Facidi, Cacadro Baco Facidi. We account Mamma Nidia not the Kufado Mretuna Namukaze a buyer boy and not the Kufado or Nudia by Akosua Adia from what is a Quasima to what is a Kasua. Not very 60. She said, you know, and Kasua me back 10 cities from Quasima to Kasua. Ya apani ya mutiri o memwa ye kan na mko chengine mumbani mbono so ye se kama mwana wa be jina na mu betwa na disem ezu ni wa ni ba no ebre o na mu de munyina o na mu papa mu
me dance bemena 0260 196064 and 0260 196065. Hello. Me ba cho me papa ben me shana no pay.
Mami Akosua me chawo matching.
Me Josu bemena.
We get. Adia chin. En chia ke tem komo ye mambeni. Don drama ni Muhammad. Na. Ele ni tem di bidam pese meka. Go futu ya o te tuye no. Na mfante makto mu abakaka. Na e futu am pese mi. Ni panese. We are Simon, the Unia Sicabia, Obi Home Unia Sicabia, Italy control. Obi so home Uni or Wakuma to control that. The Papa Unia Sicano, near control Sicano, and at Sicano control, the dear Waku Vini and Neno. Empire near Baman see dear, and we be winning over Lempany poor. I would say, or no, you win mobile, and I say, am I winning mobile? Now I took care of one. Then 1 year from Manu, the emphasis on Manu. Ni maybe na masudi bako asedi bako am tete say me nyeduma e mu betumi abo am anka me nyeduma ya anka be me pa
yo na adwuma ensa no wo nsa no adwuma bi wo certificate bi wo field de
my video kakra but ache it's no any de many free so na me driver ni so
oh okay mate
ya driver ni na ni maba ni no be see adwuma di amenye bia
okay mate medase 0260196064 and 0260196065 higher Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ena utieno hello
Ibuza familia ba
nyame ado me ho ye pa be mena
ayewa uri abe mana na uska dan sumai
na na uska so ehempase ene won passe de me nya ho ahwe
na familia ba
yes
ebe o ma penya mo mai woye din ni kakara ka mi jin pie ni bikisu
oye wa de nkakra
ma de kakra ja
na uska minti o
I'm telling you, mega international organizer for NPP. The Aboagye first vice. And I hear you are just a people could be. You know, I have a committee or some council. Yeah, not to whom more straight. Omka, Mamaka, the Bible Saka Kufuado, and a Kufuado person near to say, a DNT are 2 Abatia Kufuado. A DNT any 2 Abatia Kufuado. What's a resetting? And I can't say why I am what's in a good for the pencil. And even if I told you about 5 cities, yes, I can see you. Get you up. In the Timmy and Sir, the quarter, I'm on 5 cities. Then member 5 cities. You will be on my Ukro, and you could put a man, I don't know what to do. Who saw what in my client talk? Who could do with this kind of fee? Money boy in there, so most of this committee. Look at say, the market where you're not your fast no more, but you don't have to share on China Casa.
Medicine and I was got any attending can 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello. Memfa de waba hello.
Oba ima anatanya me asu binka
nana mo akuni
pacho onwa
yo nana me mo akwa ba yensu ano
me fan chakase ma income na chairman yiga ona pachi ejako na me chia eye dikata na secretary yiga paka eye still maintain me chia income no baraka ko kitaka yema me evangelist secretary and mchana na bi income says right mini aba eya na ye ma yure ho ye ma kosin se ani so ya konya ba o show so ana ne ma ayefo ana aban ni se koyi ozumu hye ya nti eni ma ya den ozumu tifani all of the eni ma ya me mini aba aban pai bia ruwa ekoyi tawa mai aban wi ene nti o ba ko 5 na kum ye sa 5 ni adwa me sa 20 se koya na se ba ye aban wa from 24 hour economy over the Macam and Saye. Over a ancient. And this is a memo with an extra for over 15 months of Jom Kai. Therefore, you go to Jom Kai. You come to the way for you. And you may acquire our picture and that is one of the 18 cities. And the same about the Overflow. I want to name you about what you're second up. I know this one. Mature adults. You are going to be able to make you.
Medase nana mwako any attending can 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
What do you mean?
Hey, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. What you?
bago me bayago. Emi ya kunio. Edi ni mono uni madie. Aka ya mda kiakai. Oh, na wo mi dia dia ma akura tu ani jo.
Eja ni mo mi pese mesere wate. Ka wasem ne ko. Eja, so oba e me ka se wa, ase mo ne se. Mo si wa uni ano no me enko.
Yo ana pa mi chacha buri ya ma pa mo. Na mi sa ko nya we na me ba ja je ke na secretary. Ana na nabi oba president chairman. Na wo me akosi usu a meta asra wo ma organizer. Monto ma na ma ni ne ko ndo ma na obeti ma ye pa nso. Kam ya ko je power no. Ena ruka. Ono so agia baba treasure national. Ne. Yo Ghana for mama mpa ko munya de pa. The end is what that is so no ba. And na se me da sumu ma de achi ano pem so de kwa yen so. Ana mo be gina no mo ka ne ne aba na ya de aba no bo no ho modern. Mo ba ye kan ye. Mo ka ho samsa. Ana ye kofa wo ye so ayi habo ye de be ye. Ana wo ye say no ye say. Ye kan ya na ya to zoom no. What you say? When you say about we buy when you because the Kenya National Profile you money at the you go with a man of one homoding. The Kakabi for on the
Medase ejenimo anopa great kofo de krata babonten e say nyina esumu na ye dama de chi ya ye de ba adwuma omo de statement bia babonten ababa be fa ho nti ebrepam ye bekenkan e de ama me fa me 2 calls na afemi de tiefo no aba awieye hello
Bachino mamachi
meji uso
e fam na kofi o se okukudrufo
nana frefri he
e ka free barrier old barrier
nana mamintie wa no pe
yom ne se ena omoche anyama boaedi ya omonchire edwa pochiam koto ade a omoche nyama na boaedi na se ayafun omkan tro kan se anyama boaedi na se nyama boaefun a ya omonchire mi konti metina so amekan tro kan na onya wonko na me kan chire me se anyama ase sisi no and the man the tumbo. Cause 2021, any part of mobile store or the local no me saying, and means so Nipa mobile store, you just saw, only saying. The local and Tadian and Kese, Abia, Niman, Yanto, the Biatino, the dear store, you on Faka and Ma Accra, Central Tadia. What all the Lord is internet, or the Tadian. Anything that is the base, I can get on every year. What did you mamma or money admire? I a Juma, I'm not a scar to Butuna. I don't want you and near Mobra. And you catch that and this year before I said, can you for ever?
Medan Senana, so do I drink Chaba me fadi chat to cry. Hello. Me pacho dum radio no mami why na yenya feedback wa hasi na yente okasa ni wadaroma. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. Good morning.
You woman say, government is power. And you say, 2 years ago, my mother took us out of this government. We complain a lot of what first year will move you to Tata. I don't know where you can what you do. You go work up, Papa. You take off the also, who can do that? Can you what running? That's your only one with Baba.
Yo, yeah, say, Ghana speaks there. Obi at Mitch and Adjun. Obetcha Wadjun Sua, and ye, Juman see a betchum. It's NDC for bar, MPP for bar, CPP for bar, PNC for bar. It's your mona betcha imagine to a match or margin every ye breno assom. Now, young fancy da a more dane, young fama endpoint homeopathy clinic. Dr. Dubois, one on the boy ye chidom, Emma ye de Ghana today, and the Ghana speaks see Emma war. Endpoint homeopathy clinic is so far baby na juju, and answer mubuo yare no aba kronoma boahia e wo komase wo nkran hanso aspentes kwan so baby e friend shell signboard nti wotie ma no pay wo odihye bi wo fi a wo yare afa ne ko endpoint na yenko chat ne scan na yemfa video so wo lab technologist e wo ho enya lab technician no lab technologist a adwuma wo mo ye wo endpoint homeopathic clinic no enya asem ketewa kura wo ma wo system ni mo for more than 18 years and Dr. Dubuatin kofa homeopathy fi UK ba ha wo de asani pa bebre yare wo mo manya stroke asori agye wo na so wo mo pa wo o ma wo afom ba emema wo prostate etu afiri ho wo ye bema wo low sperm count abra wo ba wo die no wo ha bia bamu a ye de wo twa wo mpoa eye endpoint homeopathic clinic kidney issues liver issues nerve diseases eniema wo mu a wo ti sentini bi twon e wo mu ana bibi ne na mu ni padua mu eye eniema bebre etibra endpoint homeopathic clinic Dr. Dubuatin say physiotherapy and massage and what the adwuma sa wo frɛ 0244 867068 0244 867068 and now with them and 027 423 4321 027 423 4321 endpoint homeopathic clinic wayara sabia efie ene ho kasa natural mineral water eya budu nsuo anopa enum nsuo yasore anopa ye kwa ye ba ye tepente nkwai wonum nsu papa na woni padua na da wase nsuo ye kamfama wo ye CASA mineral water eye kasa natural mineral water Kasaloma Ventures ne dia basa wo pe sachet water wo pe bottled water and bi wo ho dispensers ahodo ne nyina bi wo ho etisa wo frɛ 0206469430 na wo dem 0206469430 wo pe ba bi adidi a Hajia special local foods di aduane papa na wonya kwatenten mo a monam ekwan no so a mokɔ hachokwan no so no atomic road no ɛhɔ no a ene wo oben transition no washing bay kɛse na ɛwɔ hɔ no wo akyire hɔ ene ba ko nso wo DVLA hɔ no wo de kwa asɔman no ano hɔ no a enti sɛ wo pɛ wache apreprensa konkonte tilapia fufuo sɛ wo pɛ ba bia ɔda aduane a ye de brɛ wo bɛyɛ wo de banku ena wo pɛ die huo anase bia wo pɛ abetie Chese enkatenkwan rewren kwan pizza local ne continental dishes nyina no ebi wo Hajia special local food Sompa ha eno an yedie enti ye kamfo aduane amawo na eye Hajia special local food anopa bia no wotwe na wabie enti Sompa Rhapsody ne nhyase no na wono nso no wogina mu kama je delivery guy ne number ne frɛ sɛ wotie Sompa wo pɛ sɛ wo order breakfast bia no pɛ na no pɛ yi wo ko domu tuo pa ne nkatenkwan wo mu de bi bebrɛw eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 Hajia special local foods wunya bidia na eno ano no ye de asedan so emma 3 butterflies schools wo your batan na wo ba no enya 3 months bosome miensa esese wo kwa adwuma wo pe school a wo de ne be kwa ye be hye ne yie afidi ne kama ayi ne to diapers nyina adware no aye ne kama wo mo chance 6:30 anopa na wo mapo anumre 6:30 a ye kamfo 3 butterflies school and a diamawo 3 butterflies school say one more the British and a Ghana education service curriculum and a yejuma swimming lesson one more extra curriculum activities be to say swimming lessons tankwandu and a ballet etika kai nation and so bosome miensa ekosi emfienum na ode na ba ne ahwe ne kama one more the app bi aba ye YLOG app eno no wutimi hwa wo ba no ne modern bo ne activities yes app na ye EYLOG no logo ho a wo se wo download app no e wo Google Play Store na se Apple Store ho no a ye EYLOG na wo be hu ba no de wo ye bia e wo school mo ho eti wakoma beto yem abatan ye minim me wontafo bom nti minim se de yesitie eduru bre sese me kwa adwuma no me panyi dada wono na dom me nka mani so ebeta me pa nanka 3 butterfly school wo hanka obi se nka mansu bosome miensa pe esese wo kwa adwuma fa kwada ne bra ekosi 5 years on behwe no we learn we play we grow je number na ne frɛ wo mo ewo 8 Pawpaw Street East Legon wo mo ben Malcolm no 8 Pawpaw Street East Legon wo eniema wo ho no chese oba no kra wan hwa wo de ne bo beka se wo nkofie efise ho de eye 055 609 4071 055 609 4071 TBM 055 609 4071 na 3 butterfly schools 3 butterflies school omatimi aboa we learn we play we grow enti ye bre no so Obrempong na share will be na fe ye nkone next ye sorry pepepe na Sompa Rhapsody omato so
ma me sign PhD ninti
okay prayer hard work and determination dedication and
prayer hard work and dedication ninti
okay
we have nothing to do with the foolish
okay it's true
ignorant controversies
them yempe
because we know that they breed quarrel
ain't yempe ntokwa enti ne de Rhapsody abre wo na hyehyɛ watenka wadwene ne wakoma apam dada no a
yambo ochina Ghana Education Service
owo omo so
omo hweme ni
mate
any be updated and pay emfa ho ne dia wo ye baby apeso wura
I say honorable lawyer Kojo Oponkromo boss Sompa Rhapsody say build capacity ba wo de wo say be updated wo patch say
ade nyina mu no e wo say unya biribi ehunu ansa na wakọ ho enti de ewusua no de wadi kan akọ sua biribi firi ne ho na fe hyase na obetimi ayo na se de wasi aboso no won se san wa apam dada no mo
okay
baby o ka se okwase anoma ntokwaba na nafono frefra asotoro
anu so ho
no apam dada
me no tena fia da ye beka ho ase wonti me da ase atie for hane ye de Sompa Ghana today ye de sie na me sorry to Reverend Professor Joseph Osafuadu me nso me back no na ye de Sompa Rhapsody no atwa so and when the psychologists be bedin komo me so tie bi fra wadwuma ye for fra busuafo na muntie na na adesua bebrebe boa wa brabɔ ne ye de brɛ wo